Building facilities and installing the sophisticated machinery necessary to manufacture products like electric vehicles, renewable energy components, or advanced semiconductors requires specialized expertise. Furthermore, complex coordination of specialized designs, materials, equipment, and people can take place on aggressive schedules. The unique demands of constructing facilities for high-tech manufacturing can present additional injury risks to workers that can impact the cost and success of the overall project. The ongoing shortage of available construction workers presents a key challenge, with many contractors reporting difficulty filling open positions. Contractors may have to use less experienced workers, which can create more exposure to job site injuries. Installation of robust mechanical systems in ceilings may be required for clean rooms, semiconductor processing tools, and robotic assembly lines. This may require employees to work at heights. Positioning heavy machinery in these situations poses the risks of falls and crushing injuries. Another risk that comes with constructing these facilities is prolonged exposures to solvents, adhesives, and gases that may be required for these types of projects. These exposures may present industrial hygiene risks. Workers may also be at risk of inhaling hazardous dust or particulates from drilling, cutting, and grinding of materials. During the building or installation process, workers may need to perform tasks in confined spaces, such as utility tunnels, equipment rooms, and crawl spaces. Awkward postures and restricted or repetitive movement may increase the risk of soft tissue injuries, which can result in lost time from work for an employee. Travelers Construction Risk Control Specialists are well-versed in the nuances of constructing facilities for high-tech manufacturing. They can conduct job site surveys focused on mitigating risks found on specialized builds. Our industrial hygiene laboratory can help customers assess exposures to harmful environments to help them develop prevention and mitigation plans. Our ergonomists can provide AI-assisted ergonomic assessments and offer impactful recommendations to help reduce worker injury risk. Plus, our supervisor safety leadership development training helps facilitate a culture of safety. To learn more about how Travelers supports the construction of facilities for high-tech manufacturing, talk to your independent agent or visit travelers.com/construction.